Emily.
Hi, I'm Layla.
And welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking.
Here at Carroll Lutheran Village, and today we are making mashed potato bowls.
We have already prepared all the ingredients, and today we have mashed potatoes, popcorn chicken, corn, mozzarella and cheddar cheese, parsley, and gravy.
Start constructing the mashed potato bowl.
First, you put mashed potatoes at the bottom of the bowl, and then you take some corn, and then your popcorn chicken goes right on top.
Then some gravy. The cheddar and mozzarella mix. And then some parsley. This will be available in the cafe and bistro
This Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. We hope you enjoy.